Hey guys, Rob with Ride Philippines here. My channel used to be a riding gadgets channel, and now I've morphed it into kind of a riding Philippines channel. I want to promote riding in the Philippines and not gadgets. I used to sell gadgets and it was all about gadgets. I'm done with that. But I do have 7 of these units available. This is an Alienrider M2 Pro, a very, very good riding system. It's comparable to a Chiggy. So this has a 6.2-inch display, CarPlay, Android Auto, video recording, dash cam recording, front and rear cameras, 1080p, Sony IMX7 307 cameras, front and rear TPMS, and radar, blind spot detection. Works very, very well. This is the full M2 Pro kit. I am selling these for basically what I paid to get them here to the Philippines, which is 14,000 pesos, okay? Normally this thing retails like 25, 28,000. I'm selling them for 14 just to get them out of my office. 7 units only, okay? No tawa, don't ask me for a discount. The price is the price. No installation, I'm not an installer. You can go find installation at a competent shop, 600, 700, 800 pesos probably. This includes everything. It has a glass screen protector, has 2 mounting brackets. This will go on small motors, scooters, maxi scoots, big bikes, whatever you want to mount it on. I can talk to you about that. I put about 20 of these units on, and I can talk to you about putting it on your bike, give you some advice. 14K fixed price plus shipping, or you can pick up here in Dos Marinos, Cavite. Done deal. When they're gone, they're gone. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit me in the comments or find me on Facebook, Ride Philippines, Rob Moore, 14K Alienrider M2 Pro. 7 units only, Philippines only. Thanks.